July 13, 2021, Naib Subedar Ghanshyam Singh was later awarded the Shaurya Chakra by President Draupadi Murmu for his exceptional bravery in Pulwama, Jammu and Kashmir. That night, he led a mission to capture terrorists based on concrete intelligence, successfully blocking their escape routes and neutralizing the dangerous terrorist Ijaz alias Abu Huraira. His indomitable courage and leadership earned him the Shaurya Chakra, India's military decoration for extraordinary bravery, which can also be awarded posthumously. The award was presented at the Defence Decoration Ceremony at Rashtrapati Bhavan. July 13, 1931 marks a dark day in Jammu and Kashmir's history, seen as the beginning of Islamic separatism and stone pelting in the region. Under Maharaja Harish Singh's rule, Sheikh Abdullah and his associates, having formed the Reading Room Party, opposed the Maharaja. Radical figure Abdul Qadir's inflammatory speeches led to his arrest and trial in Srinagar's central jail. On the day of his hearing, Muslims gathered in protest, which turned violent, resulting in stone pelting and police firing that killed 22 people. This incident also saw the looting of Hindu Kashmiri shops and marked the first major communal clash in the state.
शिक्षा देश का गौरव है और RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी शिक्षा का उद्यम है। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। PhD, MPhil करे अपने पसंदीदा विषय में। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF में सवारे अपना भविष्य। सर्टिफिकेट डिप्लोमा के 74 कोर्सेज केवल RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी भविष्य को लेकर परेशान है? RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी है इसका हल। PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में। डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी में। एडमिशंस ओपन। RKDF यूनिवर्सिटी। Education glorifies nation.
On July 13, 1929, Indian revolutionary Jatindra Nath Das began a hunger strike in Lahore jail. Das, deeply involved in revolutionary activities from a young age, joined Gandhi's non-cooperation movement in 1921 at just the age of 70. Throughout his life, he participated in the numerous anti-British activities, leading to multiple arrests. In 1929, he was imprisoned for making a bomb used by Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt in the Assembly Hall. Das started his hunger strike in Lahore jail to demand better conditions for prisoners. His protest lasted 63 days, ending with his martyrdom on September 13, 1929. On July 13, 2011, Mumbai experienced bomb blasts at Opera House, Javeri Bazaar and Dadar West, killing 26 and injuring 130. These attacks occurred within 12 minutes between 6:54 p.m. and 7:06 p.m. The first bomb hidden in a bike exploded in Javeri Bazaar, followed by a bomb in a tiffin outside Prasad Chambers near Opera House, and the final bomb on a pillar near a school in Dadar West. Terrorist Yasin Bhatkal, a founding member of Indian Mujahideen, was identified as the mastermind. On May 25, 2012, Maharashtra ATS filed a charge sheet naming Bhatkal and 6 others as wanted accused. On July 13, 1974, India played its first ODI against England at Headingley Cricket Ground in Leeds. Led by captain Ajit Wadekar, India scored a respectable 265 runs in 53.5 overs, with Wadekar and Brijesh Patel both hitting half centuries. England, captained by Mike Dennis, won the toss and chose to bowl first. They successfully chased the target, scoring 266 runs in 51.1 overs, defeating India by 4 wickets. This match was part of India's tour of England, which included 3 tests and 2 ODIs.
In a world overflowing with information where news travels faster than light, it's time to redefine the way we consume news and entertainment. Stay ahead with the latest from around the globe, from the pages of history to the top interviews, blogs to podcasts. Find all exclusive stories in one place, the Rhythm app. Uncover a world of entertainment with exclusive web series, captivating short reels and live moments through trending videos. For the sports enthusiast and tech savvy, we've got you covered with top reviews from the business. Get ready for the ultimate experience. Download now Rhythm app, where every story matters.